Now it's time to move to the next segment, which is the educator round. And our educator for the day is Dr. Hemant Singh. So Hemant would be coming over here and sharing a topic with us. So Hemant, what's the topic?
It's on detachment.
Detachment. Okay. Please round of applause.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. So today I'll be talking about the word detachment. So in our journey of life, many a time we have heard that if you really want to pursue something, you have to operate with a non-attachment. But if we actually become non-attached to something, how are we going to pursue something? And that question used to confuse me a lot. I don't know how often you have actually reached to a point that when you have actually, you need that, you desire that, you have an intention to obtain that, but certainly somebody comes in, a word echoes inside your brain and says that, if you really want it, it has to be a non-attachment effort. The word Krishna was telling Arjuna at the time of Mahabharata was that, if you really want to win this battle, then forget all the relationship. And then he's explored, he shared that entire knowledge of Gita, and the crux of that is that non-attachment. So what is detachment or what is non-attachment? It is something where I am actually pursuing my action, but I'm not bounded with the end result of the situation, where I'm free with all kind of actions. In terms of taking action, I'm not leaving any stone unmoved, but when it comes to the result, then I'm not cursing myself, I'm not operating through the procrastination, sadness, guilty or anything that why this has happened to me. Because sometimes in whatever life you are, if I could see the age group, it is varying between 35 to 18. So you might have came across so many situations in your life when you started something with a different kind of, purpose or a life goal, and you couldn't achieve that, but after a year, you could achieve something much better than what you have desired. So it is something that we are accepting the intelligence of universe, and nobody could ever match the intelligence of universe, because if it could have been, there would have been multiple universe, and there would not be a war, there would not be scarcity of anything. It is the human greed which is actually, bothering us in so many economical, psychological, and many other ways. So, friend, how we can achieve the detachment is to be by being aware at every moment that this action which I have taken is coming out of my attachment or detachment, or how open I am to the result of it. And if there is some level of attachment, that how much I am agreeing in a manner to let go of that attachment. Also being grateful, operating with the gratitude that whatever I have I actually appreciated myself, or have I ever thanked to the higher intelligence in me or in the universe for giving me that without even being asking for that. So I take a close over here. Thank you so much.